Kay Jay Francis. I'm currently studying hairdressing at level 1. I'm really enjoying my course. Currently I'm studying bridal hairstyles, cutting, and just doing updos and just a bit of everything at the moment. I chose to study at Dudley College because it was more accessible, because I've been hearing more from people who I know, family, close friends as well, and I've just loved hairdressing since the age of 8 years old. So obviously I wanted to come here just to do hairdressing. I knew that I wanted to do hairdressing at the age of 8 years old. I've always been passionate about it. My mom's bought me loads of hairdressing stuff. I've heard about doing hairdressing at college from families and friends, and have recommended me to come to Dudley College, and I'm just really enjoying my course, and I'm happy to do it here. My tutors have really encouraged me to get more sociable, more out there, especially within the people in the salon. Because when you're in a work environment, you have to socialize with your clients, because you have to ask them how the day is going, and they're just going to tell you bits and pieces how their day is going also. So you just got to really get yourself out there as well, especially any type of work. You've got to be very sociable. And how my tutors really encouraged me as well is just to be more confident within myself. So I do put myself down a lot. I'm never really satisfied with my work. So she just really encouraged me just to believe in myself, because I'm lacking self-confidence, especially with my work. Dudley College has really helped me boost my confidence, especially just really compliment my work and telling me that I should, go in the hairdressing industry, because my work is more out there, and just to really believe within myself. So that's why. My dream career is to do hairdressing, obviously, bridal hair work, especially doing hair on models as well. My advice is to really ask students how they are, how the building is, how people are, and just to really have a look on the Dudley College website as well, to see the courses, what you like. And there's loads of courses, not just hairdressing. And also just come with family and friends. At the end of the day, you don't have to go by yourself. Staff will openly, welcome you with open arms. They were students themselves as well, so they know how it feels as well. I've made probably about 10 friends already. I'm really getting more sociable, so more I get more social, more the friendships will increase. Yeah, I think I've made very nice friendships here, and hopefully those will continue as I progress onto the level 2 hairdresser what I wish to do.